In front of me is an OPPO A9 from 2020, and today I'll show you how to add and remove Google account. So to get started, you want to open up settings and then scroll all the way down till you find accounts and sync. Tap on it, and before you actually tap on add account, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, which I am, as you can see. And from here you can just tap on it again and choose Google. Give it a moment, and once you see the sign in option, you can provide your email address. And if you don't have one but you want to log in, you can always create one right here, or you can see the bottom, tap on it, and then follow basically the instructions that Google provides you with to create an account. Now I already have one, so I'm just going to use that right now, like so, and tap on next. And now I'm going to put in my password, so I'm going to get off the screen. Then tap on next again, and you should see this right here. So Google's welcome screen for terms of service. Just tap on I agree. You can't really proceed without doing so. And then make sure that backup to Google Drive is enabled for a purpose if you want to actually back up stuff to your Google Drive. So this will basically allow you to keep sync between multiple devices that are on the same account. If you don't want it, you can always disable this. So just tap on I accept. And now you have added the account. So now if you want to remove it, I'm gonna start basically from the beginning. All you need to do is just go back where we were. So settings, then again all the way down, accounts and sync. And then now tap on the account that's added. In the bottom you will find delete, so click that, delete once more. Are you sure? Yep, I am sure. Now this will appear only if you have some kind of protection enabled. If you don't, you will be able just to simply tap on OK and it will be gone. But because this device is protected with a screen lock and fingerprint, I actually need to confirm it. And once you confirm, you can see that it disappears. So now the account has been removed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.